If you use a Naira or Nigerian TikTok ad manager account, you notice that whenever you try to add money to your account balance using your Naira card, you get an error that says this card couldn't be added. Please use another one or try another one. Well, the main reason is because Nigeria was not initially supported when TikTok ad manager was introduced. Some of the major countries that were supported then was South Africa, Morocco, Egypt. Those are the major African countries. So Nigeria was introduced this year. So I think the payment system hasn't fully been integrated into the system. And before now, for you to run ads, you have to use the from your app, which promotes, and that won't give you the full creative control of your advertisement, and that might lead to maybe loss or maybe performance of ads. So let's give you an instance. Let me give you an instance. Tap on this place and let's try adding the minimum amount, which is 15,000, and continue. Wait for the interface to come up. Then we are using normally if you are working with US and other, you should see other payment options like PayPal, maybe transfer. I've not really checked, but I'm sure of PayPal. So let's try a default Visa card digit, the initials. You see, once you start inputting the initials, you see that you see the error. This couldn't be completed. Please try another one. It's not that nothing is wrong with your card. It's just that the system, and I believe in the nearest future, they should integrate a more broader or sophisticated payment system. So what is the fix to this? The fix to this is to use a dollar card. You can get one from Gray, Clever. You can get from GeekPay. Yeah, there are a lot of card services out there. You can just make a research and check. So let's use a card from those other providers and see if the error will still continue. So this is a MasterCard from, we are working with Gray. So you see, once we finish typing the digit, you see that the error message will no longer be there. I will proceed with our payment. But the only downside of this is I think the money is a bit higher. As you can see here, is 16,250. But since you are using a dollar card, if they want to charge you, they might charge you, let's say $11 or thereabouts, and that is about 116.5, something like that. But it works. It works. Instead of 16,150, I might have to pay 16.5 or 16.6 because of the difference. But it's better than creating maybe a USD account or other country accounts in other country, because that one you have to pay in dollar, and that is loss. So you can see there's no error whatsoever. Once you have linked the card, we are good to go. Let me quickly fund I don't have any cash. Let me quickly fund this card, and then we proceed to make this payment, and let's see if it goes through. So now we have tapped on made payments after we have funded our card, and wait for some time for the payment to authenticate. You can see processing payments. See payment successful. You can now close and refresh. You should see the money have now been added. You can see our card that we use for the payment that has now been successfully added into our account. And that is how you fix the card couldn't be added on TikTok error. Thank you.